Dear students, let's discuss a problem from previous year question papers of National Talent Search Examination. As you can see, the question is already in front of you. It says, if sine theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square equals to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus k, what will be the value of k? So let's write down the question once again. Sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square equals to tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now, there are few formulas and trigonometric identities which we are going to use in this problem. Let's write down these identities and formulas quickly. Number one, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Number two, there is one trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Another one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Next, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Another one, there is a relation. We know that sine theta can be written as 1 over cosec theta and cosec theta can be written as 1 over sine theta plus secant theta can be written as 1 over cos theta. So these are the formulas, identities, conditions which we have to follow in the given questions. Now, let's solve the question. First, opening the brackets, sine square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sine theta cosec theta plus, again opening the bracket, cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 cos theta into sec theta and is equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus k is also mentioned in the question, so I am adding plus k, which implies, now I'm writing the identity based problems together, content together. I'll get sine square theta plus cos square theta, I'm writing them together, plus cosec square theta. In place of this point, I'll write 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 sine theta into cosecant theta. I told you it's 1 over sine theta plus cos square theta I've already written. Now sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 cos theta into 1 over cos theta and right hand side as it is. Again, this is equal to 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 cancelled plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 because cos and cos again cancelled. This gives you tan square theta plus cot square theta plus k, which can further, as you can see, cot square theta, tan square theta. After simplification, you get 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to k, which implies final value of k will be 7. This is the required solution. I hope the problem is clear to you all. For more similar problems, keep in touch. Do watch my next video.